That day he was left behind. They used to laugh together, in a world that felt warm and safe. But one night, everything broke. Voices grew louder, and love felt like it was disappearing. He was taken away to a place that didn't feel like home, and somehow, his best friend wasn't there anymore. The car drove off, and behind it, a small heart refused to give up. He ran, chasing what he loved, even when he couldn't keep up. No one showed him the way, but somehow, he knew where to go. Through rain, through darkness, through silence, he kept moving forward, until one day, he stopped at a door and waited. The door opened, and in that moment, nothing else mattered. Because love always finds its way back home. And this time, they would never be apart again.